In this video, I will show you how to create an account on HubSpot.com. So this is actually very easy and done within a few minutes. So first, tap on the link in the description down below to get directly to HubSpot. Now, once you're on this website, you get to see Get a Demo or Get Started with Free. And as you can see, if you tap on Get a Demo, you will get a demo of their premium software, or you can get started with the free tools. Now, I always recommend you to tap on Get a Demo. This way you can get a preview of the premium features that HubSpot offers. So basically tap on Get a Demo right there. And then you'll need to fill in all of your information. So your first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name, website URL, your employees, and the country of the company headquarters. Now, please make sure this is your own information and this information is correct. Otherwise, you might get in trouble and they might not accept you. So this is, of course, not my own information, but please make sure you fill in your own information. And after you fill in all of your information, tap on Get Your Free Demo. And as you can see, here is your demo video. And you get a demo of HubSpot. So if you really want to get started with HubSpot, if you want to try that for free, you can tap on Get Started for Free right there. And this way you can get started with HubSpot. So that is basically it. It is really easy, really fast, and done within a few minutes. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just ask them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye bye.